I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're having trouble unlocking your earnings on DoorDash after verification, follow these steps to get back on track. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged in with the correct account that you used for your deliveries. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, select account settings to access your profile and earnings options. Step 3. Check verification status. In account settings, look for the earnings section. Here, you can see your verification status. If it shows pending, you may need to complete additional steps. Step 4. Complete required verification. If your verification is pending, follow the prompts to submit any necessary documents or information. This could include your driver's license or bank details. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your information, you will need to wait for DoorDash to review it. This can take a few hours to a couple of days. Keep an eye on your email for confirmation. Sometimes, the verification process can take longer than expected, especially if there are issues with the documents you submitted. Make sure everything is clear and legible to avoid delays. I hope this helps you unlock your earnings quickly. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.